वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू मेक pancake Goan Alle Belle, but the filling is different. So whatever I am going to stuff, that is different. So stay tuned. And so I have taken 1 cup of refined wheat flour, and this is salt to taste in this, and we need 1 egg. 1 cup, 1 egg. So this is half cup, so I have taken 2 of this measurements to this refined wheat flour, and this goes 1 egg in this, and then we mix this. Okay, now we'll add water. So first we'll take half cup of water and mix this, and then we will see if we need more there. So we need more, so another half cup, I think so, will go in this. So mix this to a smooth batter. So total 1 cup flour, 1 egg and 1 cup of water. So in this batter, it's like 1.5 cup of water is added. So you take ghee or butter or oil. So I have taken clarified butter, that is ghee, pure ghee. Let it become medium hot. And then you have to add the batter and do your pancakes, that is Goan Alle Belle. So now you will pour on this. And once the sides are done, it's done. So this is, see, it is cooked. So if you want like to turn, then you can turn both the sides, but we don't want to turn. So same way do this one. So like this only you make pancakes, and then I will show you the next procedure. So now what I have for this pancake, that is Alle Belle, is Gulab Jamun. Okay, so mostly we get Gulab Jamuns, and like you can eat like this only, but I tried 2-3 times having it with the crepe, and it was awesome. So I said I will share with you. So for this you take 1 Gulab Jamun, and then you, with your hands or knife, whatever, then you wrap this, same like how you do for our Alle Belle. Try this, and then you do let me know. Even my neighbor, one girl is there, small, she also like this. So try this way and do let me know. So I will do for the second one. So just one Gulab Jamun. It is yum. I am not simply saying, we have tried this and my husband also liked it. Thank you so much. म्हणता तुमका हे आवडटले आणि तुम्ही करून खातली. Thank you. देव बरे करो.
And here it is lovely Gulab Jamun Alle Belle. Tasty and yummy.